in rural Mexico, in a place not so far from here, live native people, people that lead native lives, people who still remember the true meaning of love, people who know how to hold on to love's fuzzy heart, people like Jack.
Hello, I am Jack. Please excuse the French accent. Let me tell you of love. Love, dangereux. He lost me love to love. Bandito horse took it from me.
This film is my revenge. WTF.